Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change order ID in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And basically, you need to know first that the order ID are generated automatically. And basically, they simply just define the reference of your order. It is better not to change the order ID. But if we go and we want to edit anything in our order, as you can see, we can change anything except the order ID. And basically this one, because it will reference to your order by this number or by this ID. So it's preferable not to change this ID. Anyway, if you want to do it, you do not have some direct way to do it. So we will be needing some plugins to add to our WordPress, and basically it will do the work. So first, make sure that you are in WordPress admin panel, and after that, we will be needing to go to the plugins. And from here, we will need just to go and click on add new plugin, and simply we will need to search for custom order numbers, and this will allow us to start changing the order numbers that is generated. And basically we will need just to wait for the search results, and from here you can start changing your numbers or order numbers, and basically you can start generating sequential or custom order numbers for your existing and new WooCommerce order. So I'm just going to click on install, and I'm just going to wait for it to be installed. As you can see, those are the orders, or this is the UI of the WooCommerce uh, plugin. And basically now I'm just going to click on activate, and simply we need just to wait for product to be added, or the plugin to be added. And simply now we need just to find our uh, orders, and from WooCommerce we can just go to the orders, and we will need just to search for the settings of our plugin. And simply we can just go from here, and I'm just going to click on settings, and basically we can start finding the settings from the WooCommerce, and from here you can start adding your settings of this plugin, and that's it. So this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.